Hey everybody, I'm Michelle from Fine Natural Hair and Faith. Welcome to my channel if you're new here, and welcome back if you're not. And today is a very special video. I have never done a hair growth challenge that lasted as long as 2 months, and that is what I'm going to be doing, kicking it off today. I have teamed up with Secrets, and I will be using their hair growth supplements as well as their hair oil to get my hair to the next length. So the beauty supplement that I'm using is a hair, skin, and nail supplement. So I'll be taking this daily for 60 days. I have 30 in this bottle and I have another bottle. And then I also have the Secrets growth oil, which I have been using already, but now I'm really going to be using it for an extended period of time, 3 to 4 times a week. I'm also going to be adding it to my hair spritz, which I've got the recipe from them, but I've adopted it just a little bit for my own taste. But I'm going to be using these 2 products to help me get to the next level. So now, to kick off this challenge, first what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the hair spritz. I'm going to show you how I make that, and I'm also going to do a length check, which I almost never do length checks. I just never do length checks, but I'm going to do it now because you need to see the progress. I'm not going to straighten my hair, but my hair is pretty stretched. So what I'll do is I will pull out my tape measure. I will measure my hair in different sections, you know, of my head, just so you can see, and I'll do my starting points for reference. So I'm pretty much like 13 to 14 inches around my head. Like in the front, I was at 13 and a half. On the side here, I was at 14. And here, I was at like 13 and a half. So, I mean, it's pretty much, it's weird because it's like, I know on my head it's not even all around, but in those sections it is. Now the section in the middle, I know is going to be shorter. I'm not even measuring that section just because I just want to give you an overall view. And you can kind of also look at my hair over 2 months. You'll be able to tell if it grew or not. I will leave a link down in the description box below just so you can like check out the products, the ingredients in this supplement. Guys, let me tell you, I gotta put glasses on for this. Okay, so the ingredients in this supplement are amazing, like really rich in not just vitamins and minerals, but also in herbs. So it contains, like a multivitamin would have, A, C, D, B1, B2, niacin, B6, folate, B12, and then it has biotin, pantothenic acid, zinc, selenium, and it contains MSM. It also contains rosemary herb powder, stinging nettle root powder, which is exactly what I also use to make the hair spritz. So I'm doing it topically and internally. And it also contains I think it says lutein 5% flour and horsetail herb extract. If you know anything about horsetail, you know it's supposed to really make your hair strong and your nails strong. And so I invite you to join me in this journey of growing longer, healthy hair. Now I'm going to make the hair tea with my favorite mug. The best man for the job is a woman. Can you relate? Anyway, starting with my first herb for the mixture is hibiscus flowers. I will be using a tablespoon of hibiscus flowers. As you can see here, I'm using 2, but that's because this is a half tablespoon. My actual full tablespoon broke. Then I'm adding a tablespoon of moringa leaf powder. Next up is a tablespoon of nettle leaf powder. And as you can see, I use all organic herbs. Next up is a teaspoon of biotin. Now that all of my herbs have been added, I will be adding hot water, not boiling, but very hot water, and I do use distilled water. Once I have the water filled, I don't really measure, I just make sure it fills the mug, and then I begin to mix it all up. So I allow the mixture to sit overnight so that the herbs can infuse. When I'm ready to now transfer everything, I need to strain out the herbs. So I use my funnel into the bottle that I'm going to transfer the spray into, and then I'm going to use this burlap bag, which really does a great job of just kind of sifting out the herbs and making sure that no solid pieces make its way through. Now this is the time when I am so satisfied. Look at how rich and red that mixture is. The hibiscus flowers have turned this a beautiful shade of burgundy, and all of these herbs are infused into this hair tea. And here's the dried herbs at the bottom. I'm just gonna scoop that out and not use it. I could probably add it to a conditioner and use it. Actually, maybe I think I'll do that going forward so that no herb is left behind. But this is it. I have strained everything out. I got a little spare string there, but this is the mixture that I make, and I use it throughout the week. And once this is done, I do start to add my essential oils. So I use a few drops of rosemary essential oil and a few drops of peppermint essential oil, a couple drops of tea tree essential oil, and the superstar of the show is S Secret's growth oil. I just eyeball how much I add. It's really a matter of preference. I don't do too much, but I put enough to kind of just infuse the entire bottle. And then, so what I'm going to do is, after I use this oil, as you can see, it's rich in herbs that are still in the bottle. I'm going to mix it all up, and this is what I'll be using throughout the week. That's it for this video. I will catch you in my next video. God bless you, and please give this video a big thumbs up. Join me on this challenge if it's something that may interest you. Like, I highly recommend, joining me on the challenge. It's, it's good to have friends to join you.